My name's Cathy from 123Vietnamese.com. Welcome to Lesson 9, Introducing with Others. So Tony, you've got the first burning in Vietnamese. Is there anything else you need to get?
I need to go to the office to pick up some documents.
It only takes 10 minutes to walk from here. Let's go.
Okay, good.
Okay, this is my friend, Miss Phương.
Xin chào Cathy.
Xin chào Phương. Phương, đây là bạn tôi, Tony. Tony, this is Phương.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Tony is here for traveling. I'm teaching him some Vietnamese.
I hope you enjoy your time in Vietnam. Tony, do you understand what we were saying in Vietnamese?
Yes, I understood most of it, but the word ban is new for me.
Bạn means friend. Bạn. I say, đây là bạn tôi, Tony. It means, this is my friend, Tony.
Ha, I see.
Tony, bạn là người Anh à?
Phương asked, are you English? Nước Anh is the word for England. Anh means England. Nước means country. So, nước Anh is the word for England. Người Anh means English. You already know người is people. So, người Anh means England people. That is how we say English. In Vietnamese, you are talking about nationality. So, Phương asks, bạn là người Anh à? It means, are you English?
So, Phương, you asked ban là người Anh à, which means, are you English? Tôi không là người Anh. I am American, but I want to know how to say it in Vietnamese.
Nước Mỹ in Vietnamese is words for America country or America. Mỹ means America and nước in Vietnamese is for country. Người Mỹ means America people or American. Người, you already know, means people. So, người Mỹ is the word for America people or American.
Okay, so tôi là người Mỹ.
Việt Nam in Vietnamese is still Vietnam.
That's very interesting. So, các bạn là người Việt Nam đúng không?
Vâng.
You are right. Người Việt Nam.
You seem to study Vietnamese faster, Tony. You are doing good job of teaching him, Cathy.
Cảm ơn. Tiếng Anh của bạn rất tốt.
Cảm ơn.
What does tiếng Anh means?
Tiếng Anh means English as the English language.
Tiếng Anh means English language or English. Tiếng means language and Anh means English. So, tiếng Anh is how we say English language.
So, tiếng Anh của bạn rất tốt means your English is very good.
Yes, that's right. Tiếng Việt của bạn Rất tốt, Tony.
Phương compliments the Vietnamese Tony. There's a little difference here. Tiếng Việt. Việt means Vietnam. Its acronyms. Tiếng means language. So, tiếng Việt means Vietnam language or Vietnamese. Tiếng Việt của bạn rất tốt means your Vietnamese is very good.
Come on, but I still know a little in Vietnamese. I hope I can study more to understand everything people say.
You should introduce to people that you can speak a little Vietnamese so that you will have opportunity to practice Vietnamese better.
Good idea, Phương. Tony, you can say, tôi có thể nói một chút tiếng Việt. Có thể means can't. Nói is the word for speak. Nói. Một chút is how we say a little in Vietnamese. So, tôi có thể nói một chút means I can speak a little. And tiếng Việt means Vietnamese.
I see. So, tôi có thể nói một chút tiếng Việt means I can speak a little Vietnamese. Is that okay?
It's nice to meet you here, Tony. I hope I can also have a chance to practice my English.
Yes, it's nice to meet you, Phong. Tôi muốn nói tốt tiếng Việt.
Now I have to go. Kathy, hope to see you again.
Tạm biệt Phương.
Tạm biệt